Hey guys, welcome back. This is a bonus video for this week. So I am going to go ahead and say I normally don't do anything crazy for Halloween. I say normally because my daughter's only 2 years old. But I will make them bigger as she gets bigger. But to be fair, this year we already have 3 big Christmas gifts purchased for her. So we kind of had to do a budget somewhere, and Halloween took the you know took a little loss here. I absolutely love Halloween. But as becoming a mom, you gotta make sure you make it a little bit more age appropriate. I like gory, but it's okay. We will get there. My daughter actually loves going to the Halloween store. She's not scared of it. She says susto. She loves Nightmare Before Christmas. So she's very much me and my husband's daughter. But we still want to keep it, a little bit less scary. So this is actually the first year we're going trick-or-treating. And I do this because we are taking her around my sister-in-law's neighborhood, most likely, or to the stores. And my daughter does not like, she's not a friendly baby, which I personally love. But she will, I'm probably going to be carrying her, and her dad's going to be carrying the bag. But I am not for her eating candy whatsoever in general. I don't give her candy yet until, the day that she actually asks us to try one. I will probably most likely not give her candy. She does love chocolate though. So I did do the basket more towards things she likes. But again, we're not giving her candy. The candy that we collect, we are not keeping. So yeah, and me and my husband don't really eat candy either. So we're just gonna, trick or treat for the trick or treating, but that's it. Like, we're not giving her that basket, that stuff. She's not gonna see. But what she is going to be able to open is this little boo basket that I made for her. Again, it's nothing crazy. I did not want to go overboard like I always do, just because, again, we bought her a big Barbie dream house, guys. She's 2, but she loves Barbies. So I could not justify a bigger basket for her when that's one of her Christmas gifts. So I know it's super early, but we got it. So yeah, this is her boo basket for this year. Let me get out of the frame. I'm gonna show you guys what is in it. And yeah, funny story. We actually got her a Jessie costume because she's obsessed with Toy Story. And it won't get here till Wednesday. It was actually supposed to get here Saturday, and it won't get here till Wednesday. Halloween is Tuesday. I don't want that no more. Just don't bring it to me, because now you piss me off. So I bought her a Woody pajamas and a Jessie hat. And we're just gonna wish for the best. I'm so happy she's not gonna understand, because I would be so disappointed if I was a kid. Amazon, you messed me up. But yeah, little funny story time. Me twitching. Okay, so this cute little guy here is from Dollar Tree. It's so freaking cute. Definitely gonna use this in the future. I did get this at Target Dollar Spot. We did have a pumpkin one, but she opened that one when we went to the pumpkin patch. But she does absolutely love these, and she calls skeletons sustos. If you know Spanish, that is basically scary, but she calls it as like it's a susto. She loves these. My daughter's favorite treat that's not good for you is Doritos. She absolutely loves them. Thank you, Mike and Lilia and Jax. This is absolutely your fault. But she loves Doritos, so I threw those in there. I threw in some of her favorite treats. These are always in the bag. These are like our emergency little snack for her. And my daughter's other little poison that she absolutely loves is Fokies. You guys, my kid loves these, just like her dad. She loves chocolate and strawberry, so I did 2 of each. Of course, she's not going to eat these all, but, it's substituting candy for Halloween, so I put 4 in there for her. And then these are something new that we're trying to give her. So they're apple and mangoes, and this one's apple and strawberry. This is basically a snack bar with fruit in it. So we're trying to see if she ends up liking these. She does like half of it. She eats half of it and then is over it. But trying to incorporate fruit when she doesn't want to actually eat fruit. And then I found these at Dollar Spot a while ago, and they are numbers. She counts to 10 in Spanish and in English, but I want her to be able to recognize them a little bit more to the actual look of them, and I thought these were super duper cute. And she will, you know, I think that this would just really help her, you know, guide her towards this is a 7 and it has like, you know, the look of it. Trying to make it fun. And then the last two things in here, this one I actually already had in there, and this is from Dollar Tree, and it's the Ugly Duckling Coloring and Sticker Activity Book. I thought it just kind of went with the Halloween theme, and it has, you know, stickers in there, which she obviously really, really loves, and it also has, you know, some coloring stuff. So she will have that to open. And then I found this one at Dollar Tree as well, and it's that brand that I absolutely love, and they need a whole website. I don't know if they do, but I know they have stuff on Amazon that's like super expensive. But this is Halloween Night stickers. My daughter already loves stuff like this, you guys know. So she's gonna have fun playing with this, and these are like, you know, sustos everywhere for her. So I got that for her. And that is literally all that is going to be in her little boo basket for this year. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know what your kids are being for Halloween. And also let me know what you guys put in their boo basket. Bye, guys.